Okay, so here's a function where the window has just popped up and we can't really see the shape of this thing. We just see a bunch of lines. Now my x-axis is probably fine because we can see all of this, and more than likely all of that will straighten out if we can fix the settings on my y-axis. And we also know our zeros are all at -4, +8, -7, and 3. And we can see, let's see, -7. We can't see +8, but that's only because my window for the screencast-o-matic is not far enough out. There we go. All right, so all 4 of them are there. Now I'm going to go over here, and there is this little wrench over here. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to adjust the y-axis, not the x-axis, because the x-axis seems to be more than likely okay. Although when I moved it over just now, I must have accidentally shifted. I'm going to change this upper part of the x-axis to 10 and the lower part to -10, because I know all of my zeros are between those two values. All right, but when I calculated my y-intercept, it's way up at 16,000, so I definitely want for the y-axis to be higher than 16,000. I'm going to put it at 20,000. And notice that we can see the graph adjusting as I do so. And I also notice that I can't quite see the top of this hill and the bottom of this one down here. And I almost see the bottom of these right here. So I'm going to adjust it even more. Make it 25,000 for the top. I'm still not quite to the top of that hump, so we'll just adjust it one more time. We'll make it 30,000, and then I'm going to adjust the bottom because I need to be able to see the bottom humps as well. Let's just put -10,000 and see what that does. Still don't quite see that bottom one, so let's make it -20,000. Still don't quite see it. I'm going to make it -40,000, and now I believe I can see it, so let's just go back, and now we can see the general shape of this graph. We can see its end behavior going up on the left and up on the right. We can see all of our zeros, we can see the y-intercept, and we can see the 5 turning points that this graph has.